Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another installment of our ongoing French course. So this lesson is a follow-up to our last lesson. If you haven't seen it, you might want to watch that lesson before you watch this one. This one is actually a quiz. Remember that avoir du mal à plus an infinitive is used to represent the idea that someone is having difficulty doing something, having trouble doing something, or having a hard time doing something. All of these three things are represented by the same expression in French, avoir du mal à, plus the infinitive. So let's start with the quiz. How would you say in French, I'm having difficulty working, I'm having trouble working, or I'm having a hard time working? Try pausing the video, take out a sheet of paper, or open your word processor on a device. How would you respond to this question in writing? How would you translate this to French? Okay, so the answer is, well, let's start off with the first part. J'ai du mal à. I'm having difficulty. And then the infinitive represents the ing in English. So working, you have to use the infinitive in French, which would be travailler. So here's the answer. J'ai du mal à travailler. I'm having difficulty working. I'm having trouble working. I'm having a hard time working. Okay, let's try something else. I'm having trouble studying. How would you say that in French? Or I'm having difficulty studying. I'm having a hard time studying. It's all the same in French. The answer is j'ai du mal à, and then of course the infinitive for to study, étudier. J'ai du mal à étudier. I'm having trouble studying. How about another one? I'm having trouble reading. Quelle est la réponse? What's the answer? J'ai du mal à lire. J'ai du mal à lire. I'm having trouble reading. I'm having trouble eating. J'ai du mal à manger. J'ai du mal à manger. I'm having trouble eating. Or you know that this can also mean I'm having difficulty eating or I'm having a hard time eating. I'm having trouble understanding. Comment dit-on ça en français? J'ai du mal à comprendre. J'ai du mal à comprendre. So did you get them all right? If so, félicitations. Congratulations. If not, play that part of the video again until you can provide the answer or translation like that. Thanks again for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. Consider sharing these lessons with someone else who is learning French and you think they might benefit from them. Thank you so much, subscribers, for your support. To go on to another lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. À bientôt.